hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. I am Chin Rodriguez Mamasigariano, a faith healer, also a tarot. Sa ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin ano kayong gusto sabihin ng ating mga gabay. So this is a monthly gabay. A monthly gabay or a monthly pasilip for the month of June 2026 for the sign of Pisces. No, Pisces, welcome to my channel. Ano kayong messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Pisces signs ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading na mga hindi at makaresonate. Kunin lang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. Maraming salamat sa mga walang sawa mag-support sa aking channel, lalo nang skip ng ads, so ay pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalisik nag umapaw na biyayang manambalik sa inyo. So guys, let's see what is the messages, advices ng ating angel spirit para sa ating mga kapatid na Pisces. So let's see and watch this. Ito na, nagbabalik na ang ating mga zodiac signs na reading, na zodiac signs na pasilip, at gabay. Kaya lagi na kayo magsusubaybay dahil ipagpapatuloy na natin, Let's see. Angel Spirit, please give me information. So, there's a Four of Cups. So, just reevaluate, analyze. So, may mga bagay dito na kailangan pag-isipan mabuti. Liwanagin mabuti. Kailangan pag-iisipan mabuti yung bawat action and decisions mo. Some of you maaaring nagkakaroon ng confusion, takot at pangamba sa situation na to, kaya kailangan mo munang pag-isipan ng mas matalino at maayos na pamamaraan. Let's see. And there's something guys with the Ten of Pentacles, long-term success. So, magkakaroon ka ng long-term relationship, long-term success, and of course, meron ditong bagay na may kaugnayan sa family matter, Ibig sabihin dito, merong confusion, about sa properties, ancestors, na bahay or ari-arian, or something negosyo, or merong bagay na maaaring magdala sa'yo na pang matagalang sitwasyon. Let's see. Kasi the Ten of Pentacles, nire-represent niya rin yung inheritance, Yung mga ari-arian, mana, ganon. At the same time, there's an ancestor's house, ganon. And there's the lovers. Wow, there's something about love life. So, some of you guys, magkakaroon ka ng love life. Love life na magdadala sa'yo for long term. So, pang matagalan talaga to. Let's see, reach your messages. And there's a chart card for action movement. Magkakaroon ng changes and development sa situations mo. So, mararamdaman mo yung unti-unting pagbabago. Mararamdaman mo yung mga pagbabago na gusto mong mangyari. Now, there's something development. There's a two joining forces. Two joining forces, there's a positive and negative side. So, there's being a balance. Additional messages. There's another one for something perseverance. So, kailangan mo lang magtiyaga. Magpatuloy sa yung ginagawa. Continue what you're doing. Alisin yung takot at pangamba sa situations na to. Additional messages. And of course, there's something guys with a judgment for a week of calls. So, may mga paalala sa iyo na you need to pay attention. So, bagay na kailangan mo mag-ingat, makinig, sa mga babala at paalala ng ating mga gabay. So, mayroong mga divine intervention, red flag na maaaring dumating sa'yo. So, kailangan mo mag-pay attention. Now, let's see. Additional messages tayo with the Four of Cups. Represent with the King of Wands. So, this is something vision. May mga bagay o pasilip dito na maaaring, kumbaga, kailangan mong pakiramdaman, ay kailangan mong gamayan, dahil may mga paalala sa ng ating gabay dyan na kailangan mo mag-pay attention, kailangan mong pag-isipan ng mabuti, dahil may mga gabay or something, there's something sense, something spiritual, like angel's number, angel's synchronicity, symbols, na maaring nire-represent dito, na kailangan mo mag-pay attention talaga. Additional messages. And of course, there's something guys with the chart, the high faces. There's a hidden agenda or there's a hidden enemies. So, meron dito mystery sa likod dito. So, some of you guys, may inggitin ng pamilya nyo. May naiingit sa pamilya nyo dito with the Ten of Pentacles, the high faces. So, there's a mystery. A secrets. A revealing. Na mayroong bagay na may kinalaman about sa family matter. Maaring ang inggit nito ay sariling pamilya or meron ditong may hidden agenda about sa family nyo. Parang ganon. Merong bagay na maaring maungkat, mabungkal. What is the lovers? Reference with the Eight of Cups, no? There's something moving forward. So, meron ditong bagay na maaaring makaka-recover ka na at makaka-get over ka na. No? With the other side, meron naman ditong hindi maka-move on from that person. Maaaring yung person mo ngayon ay may asawa yan from the past relationship. No? At maaaring meron din dito, no, na some of you, if you're being single or in relationship, no, there's a past life. No, meron about sa nakaraang buhay na maaaring, kumbaga, there's a repeated cycle na parang inuulit siya ulit. Now, what is that Chariot card? Represent with the Page of Cups. Now, listen to your intuition and listen to your gut feeling. Sa bagay na makinig ka sa nararamdaman mo. Para mga paparating. Alam mo, tumatalas ang yung spiritual gift, no? Kumbaga, there's a spiritual abilities din. Na parang binibigyan ka dito ng paalala eh. No? Like symbols, signs, angels number, panaginip. No? Some of you guys, no, you have abilities, no? Like, astral, no? Meron ka kakayanan dito. No, na makapag-travel. Additional messages with the Knight of Wands. With the Knight of Wands represent what? Knight of Wands represent with the Knight of Swords. There's an anxiety, sleepless night. So, some of you guys, no, nagkakaroon ka ng sleepless night, anxieties, worries. So, bagay na kailangan mo mag-continue what you're doing. No, wag ka mag-attack na negative. So, may mga iniisip ka at parang, kumbaga, nagwo-worry ka dun sa sitwasyon na yon. So, kumbaga, sinasabi dito, just continue what you're doing. No, kumbaga, magtiyaga ka muna dyan. No, kumbaga, nagkakaroon ka ng sleepless night the way na parang ang dami mong iniisip. But there's a lot of negative thoughts. And there's a Page of Wands, something in news. No, there's a good news coming in. No, may paalala sa'yo na may balita na paparating. No, may magandang impormasyon na darating. No, lalo-lalo na pagdating sa finances mo. Lalo-lalo na sa career mo. No, there's a good news. Let's see what is the Four of Cups, the King of Wands, represented with the Knight of Pentacles. There's a potential for abundance. No, may potential ka para maging malago. No, para maging masagana. No, para unti-unti mo na makikita na parang ang layo-layo mo na sa dating ikaw. Na parang unti-unti mo na nakikita na parang there's something improvement and development sa sarili mo. And there's something at yung Pentacle for collaboration, no? There's something communication, no? Ibig sabihin nito, may tungkol about sa legal matter, like properties, documents, na maaring, kumbaga, meron ka matutuklasan, no? I feel something na merong hawak-hawak dito na titulo, or document, or paper, something, na maaring magdadala sa'yo, no? Or maaring may binibenta ditong, kumbaga, mga ari-arian with the ancestor guides, no? Ancestors family, no? Kasi may ancestors dito eh. No, may family ka dito na maaring ginagabayan ka eh. No, maaring may tungkol about sa naiwan niyang properties, no? Or naiwan niyang kayamanan, naiwan niyang pera. Or meron ditong naiwan na ari-arian, no? Or naiwan negosyo, ganun. So, meron bagay dito na matutuklasan mo. And there's something a Page of Swords. Something spine looking, watching. So, maraming bagay na maaaring nagsusubaybay dito. Or kumukuha ng information sa'yo. No, because I feel something na mayroon ditong hindi makaget over, hindi makarecover, no, hindi maka-move on. No, mayroon ditong ex na until now, no, hindi siya maka-move on. And there's a Three of Wands, waiting for a result, waiting for a ship. So, may mga hinihintay ka. Documents, papers, there's a possible na makuha mo na. And there's an Ace of Swords with the mental clarity. May mga bagay na maaaring magbigay liwanag, linaw sa isipan mo. So, ibig sabihin dito, no, kailangan mo lang magpatyaga sa ginagawa mo. Nagkakaroon ka ng doubt and fear kasi parang wala kang kasiguruduhan or parang wala kang, kumbaga, nakikita or parang hindi mo na visions, no, na magiging maganda yung sitwasyon mo. No, kailangan mong maging positibo sa mga gagawin mo. Kailangan mong maging persistent, no, maging balance sa kung ano man yung bagay na iisipin mo. There's something a Seven of Cups. No, there's something confusion. Na may balita dito na maaaring magpagulo sa sitwasyon mo, ay may balita na magdadala sa'yo ng maraming opportunities. No, dalawa kasi yan na pinapakita dyan. And there's a Nine of Cups. There's an offer. Wow. Now, there's an offer, proposal, engagement. At the same time, with the other side, there's something of promotion. Pagdating sa finances, there's something of boom. Na maaaring lumago. No, lumakas ang yung finances. No, gumanda ang takbo ng sitwasyon mo. What is additional messages? And there's the Queen of Swords with the clear boundaries. So, may mga bagay na parang lilinaw, no, lilitaw, na maaaring magbigay ng clarity sa'yo, na parang malayo pa lang, tanaw mo na yung magiging possibilities. Na meron ditong babae na maaaring, kumbaga, may intention din, na pagdating sa mga inaiwan, And there's a Empress card for a river. Self-love, self-care. So, kalagami yung sarili mo dito. Alam mo bakit nag-iwalay ka ng person mo? That because of third party. No, may third party dito. At the same time, yung person mo, hindi maka-move on, hindi maka-get over. Or maaaring yung, kumalantari sa jowa mo o asawa mo, ay maaaring hindi nakaka-move on ngayon. No, alam mo kung bakit? Bukang bibig ka eh. O maaaring meron ditong, lagi nasa isip ka. Ay, pasabog. Additional messages. So, of course, there's something, guys, with an Empress card. A river, there's an Emperor, sorry. Now, there's something at authority. You have the power. No, at the same time, there's something being mature enough and being grounded. So, kailangan alisin mo yung mga bagay na hindi nakakatulong, no? Sa kaisipan mo. No, sa mga bagay na gagawin mo. No, bigyang liwanag ang isipan. There's something having respect at discipline sa ginagawa mo. And there's a Seven of Pentacles. Harvest moment. So, may pag-aani talaga, guys. No, mayroong mga bagay na aanihin mo talaga. No, may mga bagay na unti-unti mo na makakamtan. So, let's see. What is additional messages naman tayo? Pagdating sa finances and career, love life at kalusugan. Let's watch this. Okay. Let's see. Ang gilapin natin, natuklasin natin, maaaring masagap natin sa energy mo. Pagdating sa finances and career, love life at kalusugan, Aegis Spirit, please give me information po. Pagdating sa finances and career, represent what? There is something with a Six of Cups. There's a past situation coming back. Or there's a past person coming back. So, may babalik dito from the past. A sitwasyon, a situations, or there's something a person. And there's the world. Wow, magkakaroon ka ng travel international. Na magkakaroon dito ka ng success sa ibang bansa. O maaaring uuwi ka dito sa ating bansa. Maaaring there's something travel. Or vacations. No? At meron ditong parang babalik from the past. And there's a Knight of Swords with the success driven. So, bibilis na raw takbo na sitwasyon mo. No, may mga kaganapan sa buhay mo na unti-unti mo mararamdaman na there's something development changes. With a Queen of Wands, there's something confident. No, lakas naman loob mo, maging matapang ka. Alisin ang takot at alinlangan at pangamba mo. No, additional messages. And there's a Devil card. There's something demonic and devil energy for something toxicities. Na pagdating sa finances mo, may humakad lang. May humaharang. Babae ito. No, na parang hindi maka-move on. No, parang kaya kami minamalas o inoola, parang hindi nagiging maayos ang situations mo dahil may humaharang dito. Inggitera to. Now, I feel jowa to ng dati mong karelasyon or there's something a past situations or something a person talaga na may tungkol sa nakaraan. No, mayroon kang travel dito. Kung gusto mo makaalis, hindi ka makaalis. Gawa ng hinakadlangan. And there's a 2 pentacles with a balance. So, kailangan mo maging balance. Physically, mentally, emotionally. So, mayroong bagay dito na maaring magdadala sa'yo ng balance. Nakikita mo yan, there's a balance. Hawak ka mo balance. Pero nasa likod mo ay alon. Isang pagsubok na kailangan mong maging matatag. No? At parang hamon na kailangan mo malagpasan. Pagdating naman tayo sa love life. There's a Knight of Pentacles. Being secure. So, kailangan pangalagaan mo. Pag-ingatan mo, pagdating sa finances mo, kailangan mas maging wise ka. Now, let's see additional messages. And there's the Hangman. Something stuck. Sabi ko na nga, meron dito hindi maka-get over, hindi maka-recover. No, hindi maka-move on. Move on from what? No, meron dito hindi maka-move on, guys. And there's the Moon card for revelation. May mga bagay din maaaring marireveal. Matutuklasan mo. Marami kang bagay na malalaman pa dito. Maraming bagay na maaaring mabulabog dito sa eksena mo. And there's something a Queen of Cups. Emotional intelligent. O, pagdating sa emosyon ha, maging kalmado ka. Parang inaano nito yung emosyon mo para maging selosa ka o yung person mo maging selosa, ganon. There's a 5 of Cups, something disappointment. Para ma-disappoint kayo sa isa't isa, para walang changes, walang development. So, parang nararamdaman nyo na parang nawawala kayo ng gana sa isa't isa. Though that, because yung person from the past ay hindi makaget over, ginagawang kayo dito ng hindi maganda. Nasa madaling salita, I feel something gayuma or kulam. And this is the Queen of Pentacles. Not just being mature enough and being grounded. Pagdating sa finances, kailangan mas maging mature na kayo. Pagdating sa kalusugan, there's a Four of Swords. So, nagkakaroon kayo sleepless anxiety. Exactly. So, meron talagang gumagambala sa inyo. Some of you guys, no, kung hindi makatulog, nagigising ka some of nowhere, alas 2, alas 3 sa madaling araw. That because of these situations. Now, may sumasalbay sa'yo about sa spirituality. Oh my God, I told you. With a hyphen, there's something religious factor. Palipad na hangin, gayuma. Oh my goodness. And there's something an Ace of Cups. Sabi ko na, it's all about love. So there's something in love na maaring pinainom ka ng pagkain nito o yung person mo, no? Maaring there's something same scenario na maaring kumbaga dinaan kayo sa pagkain or inumin. And there's a need of us with a fast communication and fast movement. Magkakaroon ng changes and development na pagdating sa kalusugan mo. O pares kayo ng person mo, there's a partnership. Sabi ko na nga ba dalawa kayong ng person mo ang ginagawan dito na hindi maganda. And there's something, the sun card, the truth comes out. So, ibig sabihin, nalaman mo ng katotohanan sa likod dito. So, ibig sabihin, this time, alam mo na, kaya there's something, the full card reverse, no? There's something, a major arcana na pinapakita na huwag ka masyado magtitiwala. No, maniniwala, no? So, kailangan mo mag-ingat. No, sa bawat dito, aspects, no? Regards for finances, love life, and career, there's a lot of major arcana. Major arcana, the word card, the moon card, the hangman, not to say to the hierophant, no? And of course, the sun card and the devil card, something a major arcana yan, no? Na talagang there's something a negative and positive energy, no? Talagang kailangan mo lang maging balance dito sa situations mo. Now, alamin natin. Now, tuklasin natin, maaaring masagap na natin sa energy mo. Pagdating naman tayo sa gabay. Now, with an angel spirit guides. Na-miss itong reading natin, guys. What is additional messages with a yin and yang oracle card? Now, there's something a release. So, merong bagay na kailangan talagang alisin, surrender. Pakawalan at bitawan. And I told you, there's a toxicities. There's a toxic bonds. So, meron ditong ginawa talaga na kung hindi ikaw to, yung person mo, ginawan kayo talaga na para hindi kayo makaalis sa situations. No? Nakita mo may kadena na nagdudugto sa negatibong sitwasyon na parang kahit anong gawin mo, hindi kayo makaalis sa pattern na yan. No? Same atake, parehas, kumbaga ganun pa rin yung mga nangyayari, no? Nakaka-recover, then of course back to zero again and again. No? Alam mo kung bakit? No, there's a person na maaring there's a curses na ginawa sa inyo. No, na maaring nakadugtong sa eksena na kung hindi ikaw to yung person mo. And there's a perfect timing. So, see, there's a perfect timing. It's all about perfect timing. No, lahat ng bagay na to, nakalaan to para malaman mo ang katotohanan sa likod dito. So, this is the time na para malaman mo, no? And there's a star card. It's all about healing. Wow! The star card represents with the wish fulfillment. This is the perfect timing para matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo, matupad mo yung gusto mo. And there's something a princess, and you become a princess. So, maaring there's a princess na maaring, kumbaga, ituring mo yung sarili mo being a princess o yung person mo. Parang ganun. Now, there's something a white horse na represents something a good luck. Now, ang white horse na represent niya ng swerte, ha, in fairness. What is the romance angels with a mystic love oracle deck? Now, there's something a spiritual awakening. So, see, this is something a spiritual realization. No, kumbaga marirealize mo kung ano man yung bagay na nangyayari sa'yo, bakit ganito, bakit ganyan, bakit hindi kayo maka-recover paulit-ulit yung scenario, you know why? There's something curses. And there's something relationship connecting. See, nakakonekta to sa inyong relasyon. So let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. For Archangel Michael messages, give me an information po. Positive thought create a positive result. Now, always being positive and just being optimistic. Na manatili kang positibo para maging positibo yung outcome. And there's a go forward fearlessly. Magpatuloy ka na walang kinakatakutan, walang kinikilingan. No? And there's something, use your imagination, you see the answer. Gamitin mo yung intuition mo kasi you have a spiritual gift then. No? Pagdating sa mga pakiramdam, there's a senses. No? Maring na hindi mo kayang gamutin yung sarili mo, but you have an idea what's going on. No, kumaga mayroon kang kaisipan na para malaman yung mga bagay na ano ba talaga yung pinagmumulan. Nararamdaman mo yan eh. What is a Jesus loving quotient? Mararamdaman mo it's not normal. And there's a seek and you shall find. So, see, kung hindi mo hahanapin, hindi mo makikita. No? Kung dapat mong hanapin itong bagay na to at dun mo makikita ang kahulugan at kasagutan sa iyong katanungan. So, guys, this is something a monthly pasilip or monthly gabay within na June 2026 for the sign of Pisces. So, Pisces. Maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lang ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Pero guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell for more videos update. Maraming salamat sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo nang skip ng ads away pagpalain kayo. Nang Diyos at may kapal, siksik liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang mana balik sa inyo. Maraming salamat guys and see you the next video. Bye-bye and babush.